she's wearing heels. Now I get who the pig is. You should have her holding money bags, too.
Yeah, go ahead, Piper. Sneak that little detail in there. I like it.
Dear Flocka, my bunky's lifting my shit. How should I handle the situation?
Which is really funny because, as we know, in later seasons, Flocka does have an advice radio show. So it's so fun to see the beginnings of that here.
Buy a lock, stick it in a sock, and slack the bitch down.
No. We have to finish this up. This has to be done by tomorrow.
I thought we had till Tuesday.
I won't be here Tuesday.
Oh, what, you taking a personal day?
Like, what is this, corporate? You need some PTO? But that's when Piper tells them.
No, I got furlough.
For real? Wait, no fucking way.
Yeah, my grandmother's sick. I applied and it went through.
I applied too. I even had people call the warden. That shit never works. Girls are gonna be pissed at you. I kinda wanna punch you right now. You better watch your back.